Hi my friends, welcome back. Welcome to Living on the Edge. I am going to take you today to a unique adventure because today I am on the beautiful Celebrity Eclipse. This is actually my first time being on this ship. This is a unique cruise because this cruise is going from New Jersey, from New York practically, to Bermuda. Now, not only that, we're staying for 3 days, 3 nights, docking in Bermuda, allowing to explore the whole island and the things that it has to offer. Now, before we go to the itinerary and everything is great that we will experience during those 7 nights, I'm staying this time in a suite. This is actually what's called, I think, it's an Aqua Class Sky Suite. So it's not the very entry of the suites for Celebrity, but I think it's one above. So the Sky Suite Aqua Class on board the Celebrity Eclipse. Now this room comes with a lot of extras, which I'm gonna talk about just in a little bit. But before that, let's of course take a look around this beautiful room, how it looks like, and the rest gonna be after. Okay, so we're going to start from the corridor, and that's why I'm being so quiet. But this room is on deck number 12. 2119, and of course you have your doorbell right here. Let's open the room, and voila, this is our suite. Now of course, you know, when you have the doorbell, there are good things to be expected. Before you see everything, before I share everything this room has to offer, let's start of course with the entrance as always, so we can understand how it looks like. So this is your entryway, and this is as always your cruise ship map. So deck 12 is, for the most parts, if you can see here, is actually dedicated for pools, the solarium and spa and everything else. Only this portion here on deck 12 is dedicated for the suites, where you can find, I think it's most of it is just the Aqua Class Sky Suites, as well as regular Sky Suites, and some of the Aqua Class balcony rooms. So this is where we are, and as mentioned, this is room 12119. So yeah, that's it. Now as you enter, you can see here we have a closet with 4 doors. On the other side of the entrance, we have, of course, the entrance to the bathroom, which I will show you in a second. We have a mirror right here to get ready, of course, for your special nights on board. Thermostat right here, so everything you might need. Let me take you around. And you probably saw that when I opened the door, but this is your initial impression for this suite. So right now we have this bed set as a king size, a double bed. It's pretty spacious for 2 people. If you don't wish to share those, of course you can ask your room attendant and they can separate the beds. On each side of the bed we have a nightstand with 2 drawers and a marble top. The whole back of the bed, basically all the way till the ceiling, is actually, it looks like leather. I don't believe it's a real leather, but it's leatherette, let's say it like that, leatherette headboard, which makes the whole space very, very nice. And of course, this is the nightstand. They're identical on both sides. Let me show you inside the storage. We have, of course, right here, drawer number 1, drawer number 2. Pretty deep, decent size to have some extra storage. Some additional items you get, and there's a few in the suite, but we'll start with the first one. You have, of course, you have paper for notes and a pen, and the difference is that I'm used to a pencil on Celebrity. I guess on Suite you actually get a pen, so that's very nice. This is the room attendant card, and this is my stateroom attendant named Dylan, so hopefully Dylan and I will have a great time experiencing their retreat. And now, of course, next to the bed, you have your sofa. Now, this is a sleeper sofa, so it opens into a queen-size bed. This time I'm by myself, so I cannot tell how comfortable it is. But yeah, if you need to accommodate more than 2 people, I think this room can easily accommodate 4. Right in front of the sofa, you have a coffee table with an interesting feature, which I will show you in a second. And across from it, you have your media center with tons of storage. Now next to that area we have, of course, additional desk over here, which can be used either as a working desk or, you know, getting ready for a special night out, anything you might need with additional storage. One thing this room is really not lacking is of storage. There is a pre-lit mirror right here. Hello, my friends. Hi there. And it's very well lit. I actually really like it because, like, as you can see, for vlogging and stuff, this light is really good. But yeah, you have that. And of course, you have 2 additional shelves over here. On the top shelf, they put some spa menu right there. Let me show you. In the spa menu, basically have everything spa has to offer, because as mentioned before, this is a Sky Suite with an Aqua Class benefit. Underneath, you have additional place for even, I don't know, book or whatever you would like, but you also get binoculars here if you would like to use them for some nice view in the ocean or at the ports where you dock. It says here that the beach essentials, of course, can be provided by your room attendant, but you have to return them to your room. Now, as far as the electricity goes and plug-ins and stuff like that, Eclipse is not the newest ship, therefore I don't see a lot of plugs and charging options in this room. So what I actually see here is 2 US plugs over here. There is 1 European over here, and that's about it. Now, I do really appreciate this because this is a router, an internet router right in your room, which means that your internet reception is pretty well. So I do appreciate that. But as far as the charging goes, if you want to charge your phone, computers and stuff like that, that's all you get. So you basically have 2 US plugs and 1 European. Now let's come to this side and let's start with the storage, because I know how it's important for all of us to see what we can or cannot bring to this cruise. So first of all, you have your TV right here. I would say it's about 50-inch or so. So decent size, very nice, because you need to watch the TV from the bed if you would like, or from the sofa right here. It does swivel, so you can either have it directly in front of the sofa or more towards the bed, so that's nice. You have this shelf right above. Right now it's been used as more decorative shelf, but I'm sure you can store some items if you need there. We have 2 doors right here, 1 on each side, and inside there's pretty generous storage space. If we look right next to the TV, there's additional shelf here, and I'm not sure if to call it a shelf, but you can put here items that might potentially move with maybe the movement of the ship, but maybe bottles or stuff like that. You can put it right here. This is a bottle of mineral water, so you can see the size. Now, underneath the TV, we have some drawers. Now, I'll open it for you so you can just hopefully see the size of it. It's very, very deep. Now, this is my hand, and it goes all the way in, so it's very generous in size. We have 2 of those on each side of this commode dresser. Now, those 2 doors, right here, you will find 2 shelves. Ice bucket, you can always ask this to be, of course, replenished. 2 flutes for your champagne or sparkling, if you would like. And right next to it, we have the minibar. Now, the minibar with the suite is actually part of your suite, so it's included. And what I received was actually 2 beers, 2 Heinekens, 2 Avian waters, 2 San Pellegrinos, 2 Diet Cokes, and 2 regular Cokes. And those can, of course, be adjusted to what you guys like. Now, this, as you see, is another bottle of wine that waits for you when you're boarding, when you're checking in. In my case, I actually asked to opt out from the champagne option, and I received a bottle of Chardonnay instead. So yeah, so you get this one. Not a bad wine, I guess. Now, what I do like about this table actually has a glass top, which is nice, but you also have this thing underneath, if you can see. And you can actually, hopefully the camera can show it, you can take it up and down. Ugh. So difficult when holding the camera on one side, but you get the idea. Basically, you can adjust the height of this table to your comfort. So if you would like to use it more as a coffee table, you can. If you would like to dine in your room, you also can. So it's one table, it's going to be everything else. Now let's go, of course, and explore the storage on the desk. So again, we have two drawers sort of matching the other side. I think they're even slightly bigger. Yeah, they are wider than the other ones. So we have two of those on each side, two here and two right there. And where your chair is, there is additional drawer here. So if you want to keep your computer or anything else, there you go. In the closet, this is the main space for your clothes. Well, first of all, we have the two doors, right here. When you open this, you immediately have the lights coming in from the closet. I like that because there you have two buttons. They turn everything on. You have this big shelf on the top, but right now the life jacket is actually taking that space, but it's there if you need. You probably can put the life jackets underneath the bed. You have the two bathrobes here, and I do like how they looks like. Because this is a retreat, most of the things in this room are branded for the retreat. This flower or leaf, I'm not sure how to call it, is the logo for the retreat for celebrities, for the suite guests. So most of the products will be sort of branded with that. So you have two bathrobes here, you get two pairs of sleepers, but you also get the two yoga mats. Because again, this is part of the Aqua Class, even though it's a suite, and you can actually enjoy your maybe yoga sessions in your balcony or in the room. So yeah, this is this section, and of course you have here those roads that you can put them down if you need more hanging space, so you will have basically two tiers for that. Now on the other side, we have additional two doors. Let's open those. And we will have one shelf on the top, additional pre-lit space here. You can hang space right there, and another one of those bars where you can decide if you want it or not for an extra hanging space. They even put two additional umbrellas right there, one smaller, one larger, I guess one for maybe sun, one for rain. And on this side, it's all shelves. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, well, 5, I guess, shelves. When in the middle we have the safe. Safe will be on the bigger, larger side, which I really appreciate. It's large enough for a laptop. And of course, right here we have our hair dryer. You even get shoe shine fabric bag, so you can ask your room attendant to do that. There is your laundry bag. I really appreciate it. It's a fabric one. That's very convenient. You have a beach bag from Celebrity. Those usually come standard with your suites. That's very nice. Sometimes I actually got them in the concierge and Aqua Class rooms, so I do like those. And of course, let's see how the bathroom looks like. So the bathroom, as mentioned, will be to this side of your door, and when we open, this is your bathroom. I do like how we have floor to ceiling marble-ish look. This is very, very nice. You have your commode right there. You have your vanity right here with tons of storage. And mirror here. Hello, friends. That's a lot of mirrors to see me. Oh my God, 1, 2, 3. Now, those mirrors actually have a storage behind them. So when you open that, we have a storage right here. We have 3 shelves. And the same thing will be on this side. We have the sink right here and 2 additional shelves right underneath. We have 4 drawers right there. They even put some additional soap here. By the way, the products here are upgraded. So those are the Bigelow, hope I pronounced it right. And you have the 4 additional drawers there. I do like the attention to details because with the suites, not necessarily that you really need it, but you even get those very nicely branded retreat dental kits, so that's very nice. Shower cap is there. You have 2 glasses, of course, to store your items. I normally use them just to put my toothbrush and stuff like that. You have your body/hand lotion right there, again, the Bigelow. Tissues right there. The trash will be right here. I do appreciate that the trash is not on the floor taking a space. It's right there in your cabinet, so that's very nice. What else? Let's see. We have some towels here. Again, I really like the attention to detail. So even the towels have this branding of the retreat emblem. That's very nice. Now your tub over here is actually combined with a rain shower. So if we see here, we have a rain shower right there, and we have your handheld, of course, option. So that's very nice. It's sort of a spa feeling to that, with, of course, once again, upgraded amenities from Co. Bigelow, the shampoo, the shower gel, and the conditioner. And yeah, right here you have your soap. So everything you might need. Now I do like that this has this glass separation over there. So yes, you still have this fabric portion that will be sliding here. Let me show you that. But you have the glass here, so it makes it, you know, more, I would say, high-end, because I'm not a huge fan of the plastic curtain sticks to your body when you're taking a shower. But yeah, this is your bathroom. I hope the camera shows that. It feels very spacious, so this is very, very nice. Now, of course, let's take a look into our balcony. It's very nice because this balcony might not be the biggest balcony you find on board, but it feels just the right size. So on your balcony, you will find 2 chairs which can recline back with a footrest right there. You have a dining table which is actually wood top, very nice. Additional chair over here, and this is your balcony. Now if you look from this side, we can see that this balcony actually has 2 windows. One would be your entrance to the balcony, and the other one is basically smaller on the side where your sofa is, so that's very cute. And of course this is the port. We are right now in Cape Liberty, and I'm not sure you guys can see, but this is Manhattan right there in the distance. Very nice. I do want to point out that because this is on deck 12, you have this extension, of course, above your head, so it slightly maybe obstructs your view if you want to have clear skies. So you will need to look forward for the views, because the ceiling is really expanding forward. Well, friends, this is the Aqua Class Sky Suite, part of a retreat on board the beautiful Celebrity Eclipse. I'm very excited. This feels much nicer than I actually saw it on pictures. I'm hoping that my video can actually sort of translate how it looks like. It's very pleasant to the eye. I'm very, very pleased of how it is. It might be not the biggest suite out there, it may be not the most luxurious, but it actually has a lot of things coming with it. Now, there is actually a separate video that I'm posting with all the extras and my experience of boarding this cruise ship as part of the retreat and things you get with your suite. So, of course, please, I will link it down below, and you can enjoy that and have all the information so you can see what comes with that room. But aside from that, if you have any questions or everything you would like to comment or ask below, please feel free to do that. I'm always very happy to read whatever you guys have to say. But that being said, let's make this cruise start. And until next time, don't forget to subscribe. I'm your Hedge.